Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2018 Mercedes GLC here. We're going to go over the process and where you find your paint code on here. So say you need to know the color of paint your vehicle is because you've had a accident or some scratches you want to get fixed. We're going to show you where it's at. So it's located inside the door on the same placard that has the main information, VIN number, where the vehicle is made, and all that. So we'll go to the door there and show you. So coming here where we've opened up our driver's door, and we come down and look at the paint, our information sticker here. We've got our VIN number at the bottom here, the type of vehicle, where our vehicle is made. But number one, our paint code is this code right here, the 992. And then we have our production date right there, but it's these 3 digits right ahead of it, is what our paint code is to match our paint for this particular Mercedes vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.